Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna take a look at SUITECRM. So this is an open source CRM platform that allows you to basically improve your business. Now if we go here to services, we can see that they offer different services like support, and we can see the purchase packages. So they have as low as £1,200 up to 5,000. Now depending on your types of business and your scale, you can contact them and simply fill in this form and simply talk to them about your business and your needs. Here they have two different products. Now we're gonna use this one here, the SUITECRM. Basically here, this is customer relationship management. So basically you'll be able to solve your customers issues within this app. And if you want to try it out, you can simply go to demo, and as you can see, you're gonna get 7 days free trial. Basically allows you to view and see how this works. So if I have to choose this one for my business, I would like to say that it's a great way, but it's a little bit expensive. So there are a lot of different platforms that allows you to do the same work at a lower price. So if you want to know those platforms, leave a comment and I will help you out. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.